Hello, crafty friends. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to play with the Spellbinders Large Die of the Month for February 2023. I know we are in March, but I didn't receive the new one yet, so I'll still play with the February one. Unfortunately, because I live in London, it takes a bit to arrive, but never mind. Got plenty to do, so let's start with this one. So I'm gonna use the flowery and the oval and just one of the section, because the larger the mounts come with two different design for the border, so I'll just choose one. I'm gonna take the flowers and the centers of the flowers and the little star flowers. And I'm gonna use one of the sentiment from the Glimmer hot foil club, and I'm gonna use as well sorry, it's very out of focus, there you go, one of the sentiment from an old hot foil set. So you can see I already cut out a lot of flowers, and I'm gonna build them up. Don't worry, I'm not gonna go through the whole process. I'm gonna cut till the end, but I'm gonna show you just the first one. It's got quite a lot of layers, so they're very detailed and they're really fun to make. To be fair, so I'm having fun. This is one of those. I don't know which flower is this one. No idea, but it's pretty. So I'm gonna build it. So I choose as a color just a pink kind and two type of blue and two type of pinks. And for the center, just a yellow and white and green for the background. So you can see I already cut out everything. I'm gonna start with I'm gonna make two cards today, only one go. So I'll start with one of them. I choose like a cream color for the flowery background, and I'm gonna attach the blue flowers. And they are very pretty. They come with one big one, two small ones on the side, and then inside there's like a lot of space for little star flowers. So I'm gonna go for pink for that. So I'm gonna attach them also. I go directly to the end, yeah? Maybe not. Sorry. I'm gonna start with one, attach one, and then I think I'll crop to the end, so you don't have to suffer my glue attachment. Never mind. Looks like I'm gonna do everything. It doesn't seem I cut it. Strange. That's what I did. Oh well. Have fun. Maybe I should put some music. And another one. And try to do, not two same color pink beside each other. Try to distance them a bit. And I do have a little kind of lavender color as well that I used just for a couple of stars. So they don't look exactly the same. Yeah, I didn't cut it. I'm sorry. Never mind. Hope you don't mind a bit of touching. How's your day anyway? So this is the cream one done, and now I'm gonna do the green ones, and hopefully I'm cutting on this one. That's why the film is so long. Oh, there you go. I did cut it. Okay, so I went directly on the last few stars. So this time I did the flowers pink and the stars blue. I mean the little flowers blue. I think they're very pretty, and they're so easy to you know, to put together. So now I've got my flowers. I'm gonna attach two together of the borders because to give you a bit of dimension, otherwise they're a bit flimsy. The cardstock I choose is not the thickest. So I'm using the Glossy accent with one of those squeezy bottle as a glue. They're quite easy to put together, to be fair. There you go. And I'll leave it to dry with a bit of weight on top. And I'm gonna attach to my little panel where I hot foil previously my sentiment. The sentiment are from Jana's Makula. Well, she's amazing. I'm gonna link her videos, one of their videos anyway, down below because I mean, if you don't know her, you need to know her. She's incredible, such an amazing artist. Anyway, carry on attaching the panel. I'm gonna attach just on one side. Yeah, I'm gonna do something a bit different. And have the border just on the left hand side of my card. It fits like perfect on I use stitch rectangle die, and that's it. Now while it's dry, I'm gonna decide what to put. I'm gonna put the cream one on top. Again, glossy accent. There you go. It's gonna go there. I think it's gonna look pretty. And then on the bottom part, I'm gonna attach some of the leftover flowers. I decided to go just for the large open flower and the close one, or on the side one. I don't know what it is, but anyway, they're pretty. The large one I attach it with glue, and the second one I put foam square just to give it a tiny bit of dimension. And I'm gonna put it on the side and carry on with the second card. I used the oval die to cut a bit of a cream cardstock, and I'm gonna pop it up with the foam little square as well. So I've got a couple of a big one and the rest is small ones, tiny little square. So I already removed the release paper here. I just cut it to the and now I'm gonna place it in the oval. That of course is perfect size. And look how pretty it already looks. I'm gonna do this time, I think I'm gonna do a landscape maybe. I think so. We'll see. Anyway, there is some you can see some of the foam square behind on the center, but never mind, we're gonna cover it with a sentiment, so all good. So the first card, the first panel, I'm gonna attach it to a cream card. It's gonna be nice and simple. I mean, with that sentiment in gold and foil in gold and those beautiful flowers, really don't need much more. And I think the border give a bit of, I don't know, make it very elegant. There you go, like that one to attach. And for the second card, I'm gonna give nice embossed background. I'm gonna use the Spellbinder 3D Embossing Folder of the month, February 2023 as well. Look how pretty it is. It's the first time I use it, so very excited. I'm gonna spray with my paper that is cream cardstock again with a bit of, I'm going to mist it basically, not spray, with the water. And then here is my new Spellbinder die cut machine that is lovely. I mean, I loved my scissors, but it's quite old now, over 10 years old. They start to lose. I had to use shim to press properly, so I decided to upgrade, and I'm very happy with my Spellbinder die cut machine. And look at that emboss. Wow. Oh, nice. So look at the dimension. Really pretty. So I use half of the card, so it should be exactly the same size. And now I'm gonna attach to my card. I'm gonna use my tape runner, and I'm gonna put quite a lot because I don't want it to detach anywhere. So I'm covering the card base basically with tape, and I'm gonna attach it. That's it. Perfect. As I say, I want to do a landscape one, so I'm gonna attach it landscape over there in the center. I'm just gonna use glue. I'm not gonna do any more dimension. I think it's good enough. And then if I want to post it, it wouldn't be too bulky. And right in the center. Perfect. Again, a bit of weight to let it dry. Now, as a sentiment, as I said, I'm gonna use the Up Blooms. That is a beautiful sentiment from the hot foil, glimmer hot foil kit of the month, February 2023 again. And I'm gonna put some strip foam tape behind, and just gonna pop it right in the center there. Tiny bit left hanging there, so I remove the release paper and I'm gonna attach it in the center. Sorry about my head. There you go. That's it. How pretty is that? And I'm gonna, as a last touch, I'm gonna add a bit of the enamel dot. This time it's gonna be white, the Ranger one. And I'm gonna put it just on the center of the star flowers. Just a tiny dot. I'm gonna do the same things for both cards. And here as well, on the pink. How cute is that? There you go. And done. Okay. Basically, that's finish my cards. I hope you enjoyed. And if you want to get anything, I'm gonna put down below my suppliers where I get them. Thank you again so much for stick up with me till the end, and I hope you had fun. I'll see you very soon with the next card. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to post something tomorrow, otherwise during the week. Thank you. Have a lovely Saturday and see you soon. Bye.